Hello friends, today we are standing inside the farm of cardamom. This is the place from which the cardamom we consume comes from. Now there is one more speciality for this farm over here. This is completely 100% an organic farm, and I'm going to introduce you to the farmer very soon. So let's have a look at this crop over here. And this crop is actually around like 24 months old, and the very first harvest of this crop is going to come after 2 weeks. You can see these are the pods of cardamom, okay, and it's somewhat mature and beautiful. The shoot of this cardamom, what we find is that it's a bit more harder than the other shoots of cardamom. Now this is the flower of the cardamom, okay, and this one now changes into this pod form. When it becomes mature, we are plucking this pod form, and when it is dried, we get the dried cardamom. So friends, this is Mr. Joseph. He is 70 years of old, and he is the one of those farmers who is certified for 100% organic farming. So this is Mr. Joseph, and what you are seeing around his farmland in Idukki. Okay.
ഇപ്പോൾ അത് 3000 കിലോയാണ് എടുക്കുന്നത്, മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? അന്ന് 300 കിലോയേ ഉള്ളൂ.
ഇപ്പം 3000 ഉണ്ടല്ലേ?
ഇപ്പം 5 കിലോ എടുക്കും ഒരു ചെടിയെന്ന്. ഇതിനെ ഉണ്ടോ ഇത്?
Now this is what we call the panicle of the cardamom crop. This part is called the shoot, and in our native language we call it as chimb, and this one is called a panicle, and this we call in our native language as charam. Okay, so you might have watched in the other videos that this panicle is a little bit long, and a lot of pods are out there in the panicle. But this one, when it comes to the organic farming, you get the real one, you get the real stuff. So when it comes to the organic farming, what I think is that you don't find that beautiful appearance like the long slender and the panicle which is long and the panicle which is full of pods. This is the actual organic crop which you're seeing over here, and the fertilizers which has been given to the soil is 100% organic. We have the certifications and we have all those things. We have personally verified from this farmer over here, and I wanted to show you one more thing. What is the shoot borer? Shoot borer is an insect which attacks the shoot of this plant. So we actually found one shoot borer somewhere, but now we will try to get one more for you so that you will see what exactly is a shoot borer attack looks like. Now, as I have said to you, there is an insect which attacks the shoot of this plant, and normally it is called as a shoot borer. Now I'll show you how a shoot borer attacks looks like. Now, how the farmer identifies that a particular shoot has been attacked by the shoot borer is by looking onto such things. You can see here that some of the shoot is here down. So what you can expect is that in this shoot there should be a shoot borer attack. You see? If you can see, possibly see. Yes. So this is a shoot borer attack for the shoot. So at this point that insect has attacked. So usually the pesticides, here we are not using it in this organic farm, but usually the pesticides is being used to protect the shoot from being attacked by the shoot borer. So these are the seeds of this fresh cardamom. It's not dried cardamom, and I have personally tasted it right now. It's different than the other cardamoms which is not organic. So that's all. So this was a brief video, a very brief video about the cardamom crops and the farms over here, and we'll be coming to you with new videos, so stay tuned. When we say organic farming, it doesn't mean that we don't use any treatment. Biological treatment, otherwise normally called as by the farmers as BT, which is the biological treatment, it is being done. So what I'm having is called as Dipel. You can see it's a biological insecticide. Okay, so this is something which is sprayed onto the crops to protect the crops from the shoot borer which we just sow.
അതായത് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇത് മുഴുവൻ അണ്ണാൻ വിളിച്ച് കളയും.
അല്ലേ?
അണ്ണാന ഈ ഓർഗാനിക് ആകുമ്പോൾ ഇറങ്ങത്ത് പോലും ഇല്ല. ഇതിനിപ്പം മധുരമായി. ഇപ്പൊ ഈ അടുത്ത ആഴ്ച തൊട്ട് അവൻ ഇതിനകത്ത് തപ്പും. ഈ ചരത്ത് വഴി അവൻ തപ്പി നോക്കിയിട്ട് ആ മൂത്തക കൃത്യം എടുത്താൽ പൊളിച്ച് തിന്നിച്ച് പോകും. ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മളെ കാണിച്ചില്ലേ? അതിൽ ഒരെണ്ണം പോലും നമുക്ക് തിരിയാലോ. അടക്കി. അപ്പൊ ഈ മുട്ട കളഞ്ഞ ലാർവ സ്റ്റേജിൽ നിന്ന് അത് വിരിഞ്ഞു കഴിയുമ്പോഴേ അവൻ ഈ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളെ തിന്ന് അവൻ വളരും. വളർന്നിട്ട് ഇത് ആ അടച്ച ഒരു ചെറിയ തുണയുണ്ടാക്കി പുറത്തോട്ടിയാണ്.